So you want to use platelet-rich plasma or platelet-rich fibrin, but you're not sure where to start? This is going to help you out. We're going to go over centrifuge requirements, how to order, what kind of training we offer, and lastly, how we can support you with marketing materials. We designed our PRP tubes to be the exact same dimensions as a 10 mil vacutainer. What that means is that our kit will work in pretty much every centrifuge. Now there is one requirement they must have, and that is adjustable speed. So as you can see in the image on the left, there's two dials. One is for time, the other one is for speed. The reason you need adjustable speed is that PRP, the platelets, they care about G-forces. And it's not RPMs, it's G-forces. If you're not sure of the difference, we actually have a calculator how to convert the two. Otherwise, contact us and we'll be able to help you out. Now you can have a centrifuge that's a little too big. That's fine. The PRP tubes can be loose. Worst case scenario, if you need a centrifuge, it's only $400. We've tried to make getting into regenerative medicine as easy as possible. So you don't have to buy 10 kits. You don't have to buy 5 kits. You can buy one kit at a time. PRP kits retail for $139, the PRF for $115. Discounts are available for larger orders as well. Certain organizations have discounts. If you're not sure or if you have any questions, just give us a call. When it comes to training, we've made it as easy as possible. So in every kit, when you open it up, the box, the instructions are printed right there on the inside of the lid. Likewise, we have a QR code, and that QR code takes you directly to the instructional video for that kit. Those videos are also found on this website. And lastly, we do in-person training. So for our customers, they can come to Manhattan, Kansas, where they can be trained in how to process both the PRP and PRF kits, but also how to apply them to patients for a variety of conditions. Also, if you have a case and you're not sure, give us a call, send us the details, and we'll run it by some physicians who have lots of experience, and they'll give you feedback as to how they would proceed. Lastly, if you need some help with marketing, we can help with marketing materials, from print media as shown on the right to content for social media. So getting started with regenerative medicine has never been easier.